Hello everyone, welcome to Leonor's Sweet Creations. This week I'm making one of my favorite Italian desserts, which is Zabaglione. It's very easy and very delicious.
For 2 portions of Zabaglione, you will only need 5 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons caster sugar and 55 ml Limoncello or Marsala wine. If you need more portions, simply multiply this recipe in how many portions you'll need. With a whisk, beat well the egg yolks with the sugar until you get a fluffy and whitened mixture. Add the limoncello and beat it again until it's well mixed. Take it now to bain-marie or water bath and beat it continuously and fast so the eggs won't cook like scrambled eggs. Beat it until the sugar is completely dissolved. But be careful, I almost cooked it too long. The mixture should flow and not be stiff, so don't let it cook for too long. Now grate some lemon zest on top of your zabagliones and there you have it, done and ready!
What fits very well with Zabaglione is amaretti or cantuccini. Try it, it's really delicious. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, write a comment, give me a like and subscribe my channel. I hope to see you next week again. Bye bye!